Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat.
Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sharper Image folding pocket drone. And it's in this ginormous box. And all it is right there. That's the only thing in there, is that thing. And a little charge cable. All of this for nothing. Boy, oh boy. What a waste. Okay, let's get it out of the box and check it out. Alright guys, there it is out of the box. That big giant box for this little bit of stuff. Anyway, it does have a nice sized battery in there. I will give it that. It has a 550 in there, which is pretty decent size. You got your little charger, spare props, silica pack, don't eat that. You got a manual, and you got the quadcopter itself. Now what I have figured out is that this is just a rebrand of something from a long time ago called the Odyssey Pocket Drone, which had a zillion YouTube videos on it 4 years ago. But I had one of those and it died after 2 flights, but I still have the controller. Now this is a phone flyer, but this controller will work with this because I already turned it on and tried it out. So when I fly it, I'm not going to be using the phone app. I'm going to be using this, so at least I'll be able to make it fly a little bit. Because you know, with me with those phone flyers, you know, that's not happening. So let me get the battery in here and turn it on and show you the app and stuff. Alright, I got the battery in. Here's the on and off switch right here. So you would turn it on. And look for the Wi-Fi over here. And the Wi-Fi is going to be called 360F Flight. And you would turn that on. So that's going. So then you would come over here to the app, which is right there. And there it goes right there. After it syncs with the app, then it, you know, quits flashing repeatedly on there like that. So you see on there that it is recording. See, I'm looking at me there. Oh, I didn't comb my hair yet. See how messy it is? See how bald that head is? See, that camera's crappy, but it'll pick that kind of stuff up, right? Okay, so there you go. I'm not going to fly it in here. We're going to take it upstairs and fly it. So, but we are going to be using that. Okay, we are not using this. We'll record the video with this, but we're going to fly it with that. Alright guys, let's go fly it, man. Let's see how it does. We're out here with the pocket drone. Yay. And we are going to hopefully take off. Hold on a minute, do I have to? Okay, I get it. No video. No video. Okay, I get it. So if I want to use this with the controller, I'm not going to be able to record video. Because once you load the Wi-Fi app up, it overrides it. So let's just start this over. There's the level calibration, and there's the start and stop. So you don't have a choice. You want video? You have to use the phone. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay, that was kind of like a crash. Did you see that thing whizzing around me? I had that thing in the 3rd rate. That thing was pretty quick, man. Okay, so it gnawed up one of these props. So I don't know how it's going to handle from, well, a couple of them. So I don't know how it's going to handle from here on out. So it's a crapshoot from here on out. So we're just going to have to play it by ear. And I am going to slow the rate down a little bit. That's a given. Let me re-level it. Okay, I'll put it in the 2nd rate. Now what is this little button on here? I guess this is a return to home here. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, so that works. Okay, let's go out there and let's go to the return to home. Okay, it's coming back. Which return to home, you know, is just going backwards. That's all it is. Okay, so there's this little thing that goes in a circle. I don't know if that's a flip or it just does some kind of rotating. Let's try that. Yeah, that's headless mode. Okay, we don't want that. So we turn that off. There's trim buttons there. Okay, so let's try this little thing that says A on it. I guess that might have been automatic land or something because it looked like it was going to land. So now those lights are flashing for some reason. I didn't think the battery would be dead by now. I mean, there was a 550 in there. So I'm not sure. This is a quick little sucker right here, I'm telling you. This is only in the 2nd rate. This thing's pretty quick. Don't know why those lights are flashing. I don't recall hitting anything. Well, maybe that's a flip button right there. Hold on. I don't know. It's beeping for some reason. Nope, that ain't doing nothing. Then there's the trims and there's the shoot the video. That's basically about it. Okay, there goes the battery. It's dead. Boy, that really wasn't a lot of flight time for a 550. It seemed like it was pretty short. I'll put the flight time in there, but you know, there won't be any video. So if you happen to buy this thing and you already own the Odyssey, so you can't use both. Once you load the app, it overrides that deal. So, you know, at least you know that going in. Let me fold this up because I'll probably, never fly this thing again. All right, boys and girls, there you go. You guys have a nice day. I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.